Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's an update for Firefox. And this is an update that has bug fixes, nothing about security, really just fixing some problems. If you go into the upper right hamburger menu, go into Help and About Firefox, you will be updated to 134.0.2. So what does this fix? It fixes a crash that the crash report is not being displayed in some localized builds. It fixes a regression in Firefox where anchored links and HTML frame sets point to local files that do not work. They fixed an issue for developer tools that's preventing resending or net work requests, and also fix an issue where data consumption from service workers may unexpectedly halt. So little things that are fixed, but mostly I think the biggest one is some links that are just not working in some types of pages that have frames. So if you were trying to click on it, it just did nothing at all. So this is a fix that is probably the biggest for most users. For the rest, of course, developer stuff and so on, there is no security fixes in here, so there's nothing to fear. If you haven't updated and you have no issues, I still see some people saying that they have problems playing YouTube videos, yet it's supposed to be fixed. I did some tests here. I've been playing videos on YouTube via Firefox without absolutely any issues. So it's kind of difficult to understand exactly what's wrong. It could be so many things. It could be, a display driver that's not playing friendly. It could be some glitch with, how it handles the internet connection where you are. Or it could be, due to extensions or third-party antivirus. You never know, because it does seem to work very well here for playing videos on YouTube. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.